Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the unexpected store exception blue screen error in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, go to Search and type Edit Power Plan, then click it. Now click Power Options on the top bar. On the left, click Choose what the power buttons do, then click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck. Turn on Fast Startup, and click Save Changes. Step 2. Run PowerShell command. Go to Search, type Windows PowerShell, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes, then paste the command from the description below into PowerShell. Press Enter, and wait for it to finish. Step 3. Run System File Checker. Now, go to Search again, type CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type sfc/scano. Press Enter, and let the scan run. Press Enter, and let the scan run. Again, open CMD as Administrator. This time type chkdsk:/r. Press Enter. If it asks to schedule the scan, type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer. Windows will scan and repair your disk during boot. That's it! After the restart, the error should be gone. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC Fix guides. Thanks for watching.